Most net worth spreadsheets are only useful if you keep updating them manually. However, in this video, I'll show you how to build a net worth spreadsheet using real financial data so it becomes a living view of your finances and not another stale template. To build this net worth spreadsheet, we will be using Quadratic. It is an AI spreadsheet that can write code, connect live to your financial data, and build analysis and charts very quickly. So let me show you how to do this. Over here on the left, we have our AI chat where we can tell Quadratic to do whatever we want it to do. And then over here on the right, we have our spreadsheet that functions basically the same as any other spreadsheet you've used in the past. So first things first, I'm going to connect live to my data. Quadratic can use Plaid to connect live to tons of different financial institutions. And using that, I'm going to connect to my credit union. And since I'm connecting live to my data, I can schedule reruns of my source data daily so that every time I come into the spreadsheet, I'll have new insights about my financial picture. And there we go, I'm now connected to my credit union and I can see that I have 4 tables: balances, investments, liabilities, and transactions. And I'm gonna close this just to get it out of the way. To start this out, let's see what we have to work with. I'm just telling Quadratic to give me the current balance for each of my accounts and then hitting submit. And there we go. Now I can look at my account data without doing any manual data entry, which saves so much time and headache. So with that, let's go ahead and start building this spreadsheet. I'm going to create a second sheet here, and I'm just going to call this Net Worth Tracker. And everything that I'm about to do is fully optional. You can customize this any way that you want, but I'm going to tell Quadratic to create callouts at the top of this sheet for net worth, followed by assets and liabilities. And there we go. I now have callouts for my net worth, followed by assets and liabilities. And just a little note, I'm using sandbox data for this, so this isn't really my financial data. Next, I want to break down my assets and liabilities even more, so I'm telling Quadratic to create 2 bar charts showing my assets and liabilities. And there we go, I now have this interactive chart breaking down my assets, and then over here I have this interactive chart breaking down my liabilities. And as I said before, everything is customizable, so I'm going to do just a little bit of formatting here. I'm telling Quadratic to, on the assets chart, change the colors so they don't blend in with the background. And then on both charts, I want to make sure that the numbers aren't falling into the right side of the chart there. And there we go, it has fixed the asset colors. This is much easier to read than it was before. It also made it where this value isn't being cut off. And then over here on the liabilities chart, it's done the same thing with the values, so it's much easier to read, so now we're good. And finally, I'm going to build one more thing for the spreadsheet. I'm telling it to add one more chart breaking down account balance by account type. And there we go, I now have this chart breaking down total balance by account type. So there we go, in just a few minutes with basic AI prompts, we created an entire net worth spreadsheet that required no data entry. It has all of the flexibility of a normal spreadsheet, along with the power of AI that Quadratic provides. So if you're serious about your personal finances or just want to play around with Quadratic, you can find a link at the top of the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you next time.